The Salty Sea. Long ago, in ancient times, the ocean and the sea were full of fresh and sweet water. But even they did not know that their destiny was about to change. In the same era in India, there lived an old man who had two sons. The younger one, Ram, was obedient, honest, and hardworking, while the elder one, Raghunath, was lazy and greedy. One day, the old man became very ill. Before taking his last breath, he told both of his sons and their wives that they should live together in unity and never be jealous of each other. He also said they should share the piece of land he owned. But after the old man died, the elder brother and his wife grabbed all the land and gave only a small portion of land to his younger brother. And they also threw him out of the house. The younger brother quietly accepted his fate and along with his wife started living in a small house. Whatever he could grow on the small piece of land, he used to sell it and earn a living. His wife was good in pot making. She would make nice pots and sell them for a good price. In the meantime, his elder brother, by tricky, gained a lot of money and doubled the size of their old house, but never gave anything to his younger brother. One day, a sadhu came knocking at the elder brother's door, but he was refused any alms or food. The elder brother abused the sadhu and ordered him to go away. The sadhu quietly went to the younger brother's house and asked for some food. Ram was polite to the sadhu. He offered him some food. The sadhu ate some food and took rest in their house. After taking rest for some time, when he was about to leave, he gave Ram a chakki. He told Ram it was a magical chakki. Whenever he wanted anything, he should say, "Chakki bhai chakki, chal." It will start rotating and then ask whatever they wanted. By magical powers, the chakki will produce it on the spot. And when they wanted to stop the chakki, they should say, "Chakki bhai chakki, ruk," and it would stop. Saying all this, the sadhu blessed them and went away. Ram and his wife wanted to check the magic. They did as the sadhu said and asked for some food. They were served with one of the most tastiest food they could ever have. Then Ram asked for some money and he was granted. In a few days, Ram built a beautiful house and started living a good and simple life. He also started helping the poor and the needy. One day, his elder brother Raghunath's wife spied on Ram. She saw Ram asking the chakki to give him some gold jewelry. Ram wanted to give the jewelry to a poor man whose daughter was about to get married. She quickly went and told all this to her husband. Raghunath was shocked and did not believe his wife. But later in the evening, he saw Ram and his wife going out with a bag full of new clothes and jewelry. When they left, he and his wife broke open Ram's door and stole all his money. They even took the Chucky with them. They packed their bags and left their house thinking that they were now going to be rich for their whole life. They boarded a ship and set sail to a foreign land. On their way, when they were having lunch, Raghunath told his wife to get some salt for the salad. She said she did not bring any salt with her. So, they decided to ask the Chucky for salt. Raghunath's wife went to the Chucky and said, "Chucky bhai Chucky, chal. Chucky bhai Chucky, namak." And soon there was salt. She took some salt and gave it to her husband. They enjoyed their food. After some time, she saw that the whole floor near the Chucky was full of salt. She went there and tried to stop the Chucky, but could not. Raghunath asked her what happened. She told him that she only saw how to start the Chucky. In her haste, she did not see how to stop it. In the meantime, the Chucky went on producing salt after salt. Soon their ship was full of salt. Their ship started sinking due to the weight of the salt that was being constantly produced by the Chucky. After some time, the ship sank and so did the Chucky. But the Chucky went on spinning. And it is still spinning and producing salt and making our seas and oceans' water salty. So if any one of you finds the Chucky when out in the sea, don't forget to say, "Chucky bhai Chucky, ruk."